Have you ever felt that creeping sense of emptiness? You wake up, go through the motions, but the spark is gone. It's not sadness, it's like the color has drained from your world. The things you once loved now feel like chores. You wonder, where did my passion go? This isn't laziness. It's burnout, a sign you've given too much without refilling your own well. If you're feeling empty, you're not alone. This is about courage, the courage to pause, be honest, and choose a new path. Let's walk that path together and learn how to gently reignite your inner fire. Why does passion fade? It's not just a feeling, it's a resource that can run dry. Our culture loves to praise being busy and working too much, but our bodies and minds pay the price for it. When what we do doesn't match what we truly believe in, work feels empty. Being afraid to fail and wanting everything to be perfect makes us hide, which makes our own light dim. We set goals that are too hard to reach, turning our passion into stress. Always being busy and having to make too many choices leaves us tired, with no energy left for what really matters. Losing your passion isn't a personal failure, it's often because things around you are just too much. Just like plants in bad soil, we can't grow well without the right surroundings. The first step is to be kind to yourself. Understand how much you've been carrying. Burnout means you've been strong for too long, not that you're weak. It's a signal to make a change, a chance to take care of your own inner fire. Let's learn to stop being hard on ourselves and instead take care of ourselves. It's time to breathe, reset, and bring your passion back to life. The journey back starts with rest, real guilt-free rest, not just sleep, but true stillness. Let go of the idea that your worth is tied to productivity. For a day or a weekend, just be. You're not a producer, you're a human being. Rest might feel uncomfortable at first, but that's just withdrawal from busyness. True rest restores you, reading for pleasure, walking in nature, listening to music with no agenda. Notice the difference between numbing distractions and genuine restoration. The hardest part is the guilt. When it comes, remember, rest is productive. Like a field left to rest, you need time to get your energy back. This isn't laziness, it's essential self-preservation. You can't pour from an empty cup. Rest is the foundation for everything that comes next. Give yourself permission to pause. Before anything else, claim the gift of rest. After you've rested, it's time to find your why again. Our excitement fades when we forget what's most important to us. Think back. When did you feel most alive doing this work? What important thing were you honoring? Was it creativity? What important thing were you honoring? Was it getting really good at something? What important thing were you honoring? Was it being part of a group? Write down those important things. They are your guiding light. Now notice the difference between what you do every day and what you truly care about. Feeling completely worn out happens in that space. Now think of small ways to bring your why back into your daily life. Don't change everything at once. Just add a little more meaning this week. When what you do matches what you care about, even small things, your excitement comes back. Keep your inner fire burning with small, thoughtful actions that connect to what you value. Don't rush into big projects, start small. Motivation grows from action, not the other way around. Set a goal so tiny you can't say no. Write one sentence, make one brushstroke, play one chord. The goal is to show up, not to impress. Each tiny win rebuilds your confidence and momentum. Lower the bar so resistance can't stop you. One small action leads to another. For the next week, focus on the smallest possible step. Celebrate each win, no matter how small. This is about rebuilding trust with yourself. Your fire just needs a little kindling to catch again. Passion isn't just inside you. Your surroundings really matter. Look at your workspace. Does it make you feel good or tired? Make small changes. Clean your desk, add a plant, change the lights. Try working somewhere new, a park, a coffee shop, a library, to shake things up. Be around people who give you energy and inspire you. Find role models, mentors, groups, or even podcasts that make you curious. Choose what information you take in. Stop following negative stuff. Turn off distractions and fill your mind with amazing things. Fill yourself up with new ideas and beauty. Your surroundings affect your energy and creativity. Be careful about what and who you let into your life. Make your space better, and it will help make your passion better. Let your surroundings help you find your joy again. Now, do something just for the joy of it. No goals, no productivity, just play. Get back to hobbies that aren't about achieving anything. Try something you're wonderfully bad at. like painting, making music, or dancing, just for fun. Let yourself be a beginner, without any pressure. This helps you stop trying to be perfect and brings back your curiosity. Playing fills you up with new ideas and reminds you that you deserve to be happy. Plan one easy, fun activity for yourself this week. Be in the moment, notice how happy you are, and don't worry about being good at it. Sometimes, the best way to get your passion back is to simply play. Passion isn't a constant blaze. It has seasons. Like nature, your energy cycles through spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Burnout comes from trying to live in endless summer. Honor the season you're in. If it's winter, rest and trust that spring will come. When new sparks appear, nurture them gently. Don't overwhelm yourself. Enjoy the productive seasons, but remember to build in rest. Accepting these cycles brings self-compassion and wisdom. Instead of shame, you gain understanding. Work with your natural rhythms, not against them. This is the key to a sustainable, lifelong relationship with your passion. Losing passion isn't failure. It's an invitation to pause and reconnect. The journey back is slow and gentle. Rest, reflect, start small. Motivation isn't found. It's created, step by step. Show up for yourself, even when it's hard. Be patient and kind. The spark will return as a steady, sustainable warmth. You've got this. Keep going.